when that comes in, her on, they're like, what's this? I say, my auntie.
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Hello everyone. So I'm back, you guys. So I just got in from outside, and I just wanted to hurry up and do a little unboxing video for you guys because I had some goodies coming in, and I was so hyped to show them all. So I figured I'd just do like a little unboxing. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but it's like the coloring is going in and out. Sorry ahead of time, you guys. I don't know what's going on. So these right here, I just bought like a whole bunch of pendants, and like I said, I got these off of Amazon. If anybody know how to use these, can y'all please like drop a comment below, because I do not know how to use these things. Of course I can just go on YouTube and figure that out, but I really want to know how to do it. So what I've been doing is just filling these with resin. These are the charms, just regular charms. Somebody has sent me a gift to my P.O. box, so I'm really excited to open up that on camera. I don't know what it is, so I'm really hype about that. And if y'all hear noise in the background, that's nasty, of course. Like rings, like these are like the rings that you put on the charms. So basically, I'll be selling these as well. I'll be selling like brooches. Like I got this like idea of how I wanted to make these brooches. So I'm gonna start selling brooches as well. So it was like these little, what you call these things? Like rings? Ring pieces? I don't know if you guys can see. Like these little ring pieces. And I got them in like all different colors. Gold, bronze, silver. You know, all them different shades. A lot of my purchase, you guys, y'all be commenting on my videos and asking like, where do I get a lot of my pieces from? A lot of the times I get my pieces off of Instagram, you guys. All you gotta do, you know how the people use the hashtags? All you gotta type in is laser cut, planners, DIY phone cases, DIY bling, rhinestones, and it'll pop up, okay? These sisters are dope. They sell all of these things. I actually bought these little pieces, like, you know, like little pieces that you can put on bracelets off of a sister on Instagram. Okay, these are really, really cute. And it was like a set of, I think 25, if I'm not mistaken. Or was this just $25? No, I think it was $25 for all of these pieces, if I'm not mistaken. So and it's like just a whole bunch of butterflies and little like ladybugs and stuff like that. So yeah, excuse my nails, y'all, I gotta fix them. And she also gave me this brooch. I was not expecting like a little gift, but it's always nice to receive gifts, which is really, really cute. I love that. Can't wait to put that in. Now, mind you, like I'm not really into like brooches and stuff like that, but I will be. And like this is just a whole box full of the charms and stuff that I sell. Let's see. It's just some photo paper. This is what I use for my charms. If I'm not mistaken, I think that these are my lights, because I do have some studio lights that I normally use when I'm making my videos, which my daughters broke my light bulbs. These are the bulbs, not the lights. The bulbs to the studio light. Yeah, this is exactly what it is. So just the bulbs to my studio light. Yep, the same exact ones. My daughters, I had it in the basement. I was recording a video and it like fell over and shattered. But now I got my bulbs. I can start filming more videos. All right, I'm gonna just leave that here. I purchased some resin, I want to say last week, and it's not the one I normally purchase. And I noticed that some of my charms, they had like bubbles. Now normally I go over my charms with a lighter or a straw, but for some reason these weren't coming out. So I just went back and I got the one that I always use, Amazing Cast, Clear Cast. I also got, okay, so I'm actually going to be trying out this Diamond Glaze, because I seen that people were, I guess, was using this to seal the pictures. That it works. You guys, I'm always trying and testing new things out, because at the end of the day, you ain't gonna learn until you experiment, right? So I'm gonna test out and see if I can seal my pendants like with this. I'm not sure if this is gonna work because this feel like it's water. It's mixable. I don't know what I brought, but we're gonna learn today. Okay. So you guys, I'll probably show y'all how that works and what I'm gonna be doing with that after I read up on it some more and probably do a couple YouTube videos on it and figure out how that goes. I'm the sister on Instagram. Sister has been DMing each other for I want to say like the past couple of months now. A very amazing sister. May Allah reward her and me. She reached out to me. She wanted to collab on some things. And that's what I be talking about, you guys. I love to collab. If anybody want to collab with me, feel free to inbox me or leave me a comment below. If you want me to give you my honest opinion and y'all want me to review something, direct message me, send it to my P.O. box, and I'll go do it. I'm all about that. This sister was nice enough to send me something. I don't know what it is, but I'm so excited because if anybody know me, I love receiving packages. So, shout out to you, sister. May Allah bless you and continue to bless your business. Ameen. Oh my goodness. Did she really do this? You guys, like, I cannot believe this. I really cannot. She really sent me this. Y'all, look at this box. Do y'all see that? It's a bunch of rhinestones and pearls, you guys. Believe it. I'm going to have to direct message her after this and ask her, like, not why she sent it to me, but I'm so grateful. This is the colors of the rainbow. This boy is trying to crawl. I gotta move him. Like, this is already, like, and I still got a whole box. Look. Really direct message me and say, I hope that you like it. I wanted to send you something. I hope that you like it. Sis, I love it. Like, I love this, okay? Like, this is dope. Y'all, this is not even a kicker. Then she hooked me up with the Connect. Still going and still got some in the box. Like, I'm so hyped. Like, I'm ready to go bleed something right now. I'm ready to go make like a little mixture. Thank you so much. Like, you really did not have to do this. Like, I really appreciate it. I reached out to the Connect and I asked for a box of my own, and she jumped right on it and sent it to me. My baby will be 1 this year. And him and his sister share the same birthday. Yes, you guys. I had both of them. My middle child and him I had on the same day. Dang, they don't be playing when they be taking these boxes, boy. Okay. Full. Okay, you guys. And this is like a whole bunch of rhinestones, pearls. I don't think I'm going to have to buy stuff for like forever. Like, woo! This is a freak. Anybody who bling, this is like a dream come true. Like, this is money to us. Like, woo! Woo. Yes, rhinestones and pearls. Yes, this is like a dream come true. Okay. Yes, I love this color. This color right here. This is like a aquamarine, if I'm not mistaken. I'm starting to get like a little into like the different color, not yellow and, you know, just blue, all the basic colors, like getting into all my different shades, fusions, and all that type of good stuff. If anybody wants to want me to go over any products or anything, like, I'm more than happy to. I do live in Philadelphia. Dropping off is fine. If I'm available for pickups, I can pick up as well. And I know due to all the coronavirus and everything, a lot of people are struggling, like a lot of the small businesses and things. So for reviews, I definitely don't mind it. Just shoot me the product that you want me to review, and I will give you my honest opinion. You guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if y'all want to see any more videos or things like that. I will be putting together some brooches. I also got to put on my Instagram the bottles that I made. Like, I made some some tumblers. And also I do have, like I said, some more pendants coming soon with different like designer themes. What else? I'm trying to think. Also, if y'all want to see how I did the balloon, what you call it, arch? You call it an arch or a balloon? I forgot what you call it, but I'm gonna post like a little snippet, like a little right here. Every time I start a video, this voice start going crazy. So I'm currently like in the process of taking down my decorations, and if you want to see how I made this with just using what you call that type of the string that you normally like put on the end of the balloons to, I forgot what you call that string, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I actually just made this little balloon, whatever you want to call it, I forgot, with string and what you call it, thumbtacks. So if y'all want to know how I made that, just leave a comment down below and I can definitely give you guys like a little short tutorial on how I made it. But yeah, so if you want to see how I made that, just let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.